So on my way heading to first job of the day. Just a simple house wash, nothing too crazy. I might go by the chemical store today. I'm probably gonna start ordering offline. It costs more, but it's way more convenient. So we'll see how that goes. Stay tuned. I might get some drone footage today. I don't know. It's been kind of like slightly rainy for the past few days, and the customer's like, "Are you sure you're gonna work in the rain?" Look, the rain actually helps me when it comes to saturating plants and vegetation and flowers. So I do not mind working in the rain. As long as you're paying me to work in the rain, I do not mind working in the rain. Unless it's just like a thunderstorm, I do not mind. But stay tuned, and I'm gonna show you guys how the job goes today. We're here on the job just doing a house wash. I might try to upsell them on driveway and back patio. There's a lot of yards out here that need pressure washing done. So something kind of handy dandy I do. I went to Lowe's, I want to say, and I bought some of these. So it makes getting around houses so much easier, right? You just lay them down and make sure your hose goes through them. It makes going around houses and coming back so much easier. Just in case y'all want to invest in, they were only like $2 a piece at Lowe's. So